Hey people, as usual we are having our little party at the metro rail. Tomorrow my child he has a dance practice elsewhere, so he's wearing a cap, looking so cute. So Ayush, will take a bite of this. Is this actually, I hope they've given us a cutlet in between. It looks like just plain bun, right? Yeah. So this is spices and more. So you just finish everything and then we'll put it in the dustbin. It's a long distance to traverse. Take a bite of the chocolate donut, please. Thank you. I like to capture all of it on camera. That looks good. So yeah, everything here is for $110. So yeah, yesterday it was 130 and the train has arrived. But we'll finish our meal, then we'll move. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.